Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. I'm going to click on here to open my YouTube app. After you open up your YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And go ahead and click on setting from the top corner right here. Go ahead and click on Family Center. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Add a YouTube Kiddies profile. It's going to take you right here. Hi parents, in order for you to log into the YouTube Kiddie apps with your Google account and enable additional parental control and other customization features, we ask that you review the information below. Scroll down right here, continue to scroll down and make sure you read all the details right here. Continue to scroll down and read everything right here. Once you read everything, go ahead and click on next and you'll be asked to enter your YouTube account password. And with that, the YouTube keys will be linked to your YouTube app. From there, you can easily monitor your kiddies' activities, everything they watch on YouTube without any stress, right from your YouTube profile. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.